This is the quick start of TI-Nspire CX. You should be doing this along with me with a handheld. To advance to a new page, press the blue control button followed by the right click on the touch click pad. To go back a page, control left click. Let's go control right arrow once and control right arrow again. And what we're going to do is grab a point. This tells you how to do that. I will show it to you. So let's go to page 1.4, control right arrow. Many times you're going to be asked to grab something and move it. Right now, as you move the cursor, you'll notice I can't grab that point. I have to click somewhere in the white space at the bottom of this because these are really two parts to this document. And now that I've clicked in here, when I go to the red point, the hand is ready to grab the point, like an open Pac-Man. To close the hand, press the control button followed by the click in the middle of the touchpad, and you can see that the hand changes to more like a fist. And now with your thumb or finger you can move that red point all over the screen and you can see that it changes the measure of the angle. To stop that, press escape and you're no longer doing it. To go back, again move it so that the hand is open, control click closes it, and then you can move it around. Escape. Moving on to the next page, control right arrow. Oftentimes we'll be hitting slider arrows. This will be a vertical slider we'll look at next. Control right arrow to page 1.6. Here's the graph, and there's a constant C that can change. So I'm going to move my cursor arrow so that it's pointing to the top arrow and it turns blue. I will click on it with that click right in the middle of the click pad. It changes the values from C equals 1 to C equals 2. And I could continue to click it, but to increase it, if you press the up arrow, that increases it, or the right arrow increases it, while the down arrow decreases it, or the left arrow decreases it. So once you've clicked on it, you can use the arrows to move the graph up and down and change the value of C. To turn it off, press escape. Let's go on to the next page, control right arrow. This is going to be a horizontal slider. Control right arrow to the last page, 1.8. And here you can see that the arrows are going left and right. So if I want to increase, I will point to the right arrow, click on it with the click pad one time, and just like I did before, the right arrow will increase or the up arrow will increase, while the down arrow will decrease or the left arrow will decrease. And those are the types of things you need to be able to do with the TI-Nspire CX. End of video.